Lugaw is a Filipino rice porridge that is cooked by simmering rice in water with aromatics until the rice is soft and the porridge consistency is thick. Its roots go back to Chinese congee, a rice porridge that's been a staple across many parts of Asia for centuries. When Chinese traders and immigrants came to the Philippines, they brought with them this soothing and easy-to-digest dish. Filipino cooks incorporated native ingredients and adapted it based on what was available in their region. In today's episode, we'll be diving into bowls of lugaw and its popular variations such as goto and arroz caldo. I'm Jackie, born in the US and raised on Filipino flavors. Join me for a culinary adventure as I return to the roots of my heritage. We'll explore Filipino cuisine from street food to casual and fine dining tables and see that tradition is not tied to a price. It's about the flavors and stories that bring us home. This is Street to Social. Kuya Baning's Lugawan sits right along EDSA and Rizal Avenue Extension. Their menu is packed with dishes that sound super tasty, but I was really there for one thing: their lugaw loaded with a seriously generous amount of mouth-watering toppings.
This lugaw overload has so many toppings. It has isaw, puso, chito, chicharon bulaklak, lechon kawali, chicharon, tualia, itlog, and tokwa. That is a mouthful, and it's gonna be another mouthful when you eat it. Wow, I mean, look, you can even see the pieces of chicharon bulaklak. Wow. And the chicharon pieces are super crunchy. And what's nice about lugaw is everyone has their own personal preference or like what they like eating it as. Like the flavors are very nostalgic and comforting. I like a lot of calamansi, so I'm gonna start just squeezing a bunch on. But the garlic flavor is really, really good and strong. In the lugaw already. I'm gonna start taking some bites with all of the different laman here. And you know what's really interesting? Tokwat baboy is a very common side dish to eat with lugaw. And here what they've already added is the fried tofu into the lugaw itself. And the baboy portion of tokwat baboy, there's already a bunch of different like pork innards here. So this is like an all-in-one type of dish. So here I have some like liver and some chicharon in this bite with the lugaw. Oh my god. That is so good. This is really good. And this is the consistency of their lugaw here. So I'd say it's like pretty malapot. And the green onion and the toasted garlic, you can see that there's a lot of green onion and toasted garlic. Okay, let's try it with the tofu. The tofu still has a good crunch, chewy. Different types of toppings. They all have different textures. So getting a combination of the toppings in a single bite is nice. It makes it really well balanced. There's a lot happening here. It's on a very busy street. There's a lot of noise, a lot of honking. But I don't know. I'm like in my own little world right now with this bowl of overload lugaw. That's how comforting this bowl is. Like even in the middle of what feels like a lot of like chaos on the street, this comforting bowl of lugaw just makes me feel very much at peace. Just me and my bowl of lugaw in this world. Oh my god, what is happening in this bowl? It's so good. Now I understand why this place is so popular. I found this place on TikTok. Super sikat. It is so good. I'm going through this bowl like hell of fast. This rice porridge is so good that none of those other things matter. Like being in the humidity, eating a hot bowl of porridge, being on the street with a lot of busy traffic, none of that matters because this bowl of lugaw is that good. You won't even, the other things won't even come to your mind. Another organ. Wow. I forgot to mention earlier that the lugaw also has ginger in it. That's the best. That combination, ginger, garlic, green onion, makes a really flavorful lugaw. So the lugaw is the porridge base for the rice porridge, and it's just so good. The brightness from all that calamansi, perfect. Scraped it clean. Wow. This bowl of lugaw is so good. They are open for 24 hours, so whatever time of day that you have a craving for lugaw, highly recommend stopping by. You don't have to get the overload. They have a variety of different lugaw that you can choose from, but I chose the overload and clearly loved it. So the fact that they're open 24 hours, you can satisfy your lugaw cravings anytime here at Kuya Lugawan in Caloocan City.
Goto Monster is your all-day, all-night comfort food fix. Located inside Comuna in Makati, this laid-back spot serves up goto and other Filipino favorites in a relaxed indoor-outdoor space. Whether you're out for a late-night bite or just craving something warm and satisfying, the good vibes and great food here won't disappoint.
I'm at Goto Monster, and it is a restaurant I've been wanting to try for a long time. This is my first time having goto, and it is going to be like much heartier compared to like lugaw and arroz caldo because it has beef tripe, and normally you'll eat it with like tokwat baboy on the side, and here what they have as a bestseller is tokwat and talong chips, so that's eggplant chips. So I'm really excited to try that. Oh, there's a lot of toasted garlic chips too, so this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna mix it in so that the flavors all get married together. It's so good. The lugaw is really like thick and really flavorful. I can really taste the garlic. The tripe's so good. This is just a really comforting dish. Okay, thank you. Okay. Really good. I love eggplant. And sliced really thinly. It's perfectly crispy and the batter's not too thick. So it's really light. I love this. Oh my god. Dipping it in the calamansi. And then there is tofu here as well. Fried tofu. I'm gonna add it to the goto. And then now tofu. It's so good, I don't want to stop eating it. It's not at all surprising that I love this because goto is my perfect bowl of porridge. I love arroz caldo because of how flavorful the lugaw is with the ginger and the garlic. And I love tripe. This is just like a combination of things that I love. So I'm really happy that I finally got to try it, especially here at Goto Monster because they make an amazing bowl of goto. And
I love the addition of the talong chips with the goto and obviously the tokwats. It's the perfect bowl. Casa Luisa in San Pedro Laguna brings together Filipino flavors and a sense of nostalgia. Set inside a charming home built in 2018 using reclaimed wood and touches from the past, dining here feels like a cozy trip down memory lane. Hey guys, I'm here in San Pedro Laguna at Casa Luisa and I'm so excited to try their arroz caldo. They have used adlay rice, which is a Chinese pearl barley, and you can see right off the bat it looks different because it has this vibrant golden color, and what's giving it that color is the use of pumpkin puree. And pumpkin is one of my favorite foods, so I'm so excited to give this a try. It smells so good. It is really flavorful and it tastes like arroz caldo. I taste a lot of that garlic, the spring onion, and there's two types of egg in this. There's salted duck egg and a soft-boiled egg. So let's see what this one is. Looks like the soft-boiled egg. That calamansi is just so perfect in arroz caldo. There's also spinach in this. That is such a fun way to add vegetables to a dish because the flavor of spinach isn't really competing with the flavor of arroz caldo. When you're eating it, it still tastes like arroz caldo. So if you wanted to get some veggies in and still have a very like familiar tasting bowl of comforting porridge, spinach would be a great addition to lugaw. There was also pork floss in here. It all kind of, once you mix it, all of the different ingredients just start to meld in together. It's a very loaded bowl of arroz caldo. Even though this is a really loaded bowl of arroz caldo, the taste of arroz caldo is still what you are getting the most out of. So if you were to close your eyes, you would just know that this was arroz caldo, even with all the additional things that they've added to it. I'm not even really tasting much of the pumpkin. If you look at the spoon right now, this is the adlay rice. It's like a barley pearl. So this is actually very different from what we would normally see from arroz caldo. Do you see how it's like rounder and wholer pieces? It still has a really nice texture. Almost like a little creamy. What's that? I really love lugaw. Arroz caldo, goto, whatever. I love it. I love it so much. This one is so good. Wow. Up next, get a small peek into my dining experience at Linamnam in Parañaque. Chef Don Baldosano brings his love for Filipino flavors and ingredients to life with dishes that are not only creative and delicious, but also comforting and full of familiarity. Diners are invited into his beautifully renovated family home, which has a cozy Bahay Kubo vibe. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation.
So essentially, this is your first course. For a first course, it's flavors of a Filipino breakfast. So I'll start off with your bowl there. That's our lugaw at tocino. So underneath you have dried pork that we cook in muscovado. It's topped off with grains from our farm. We cook it in cream and calamansi. Then there's a little bit of moringa or malunggay on top as well.
It's so good. It's creamy, and there's like a little bit of citrus in there that's really making the dish taste really bright.
it's so good.
Lugaw is hands down one of my favorite Filipino comfort foods. With roots in Chinese cuisine, it's evolved into a dish that speaks the Filipino language of comfort: warm, generous, and always there when you need it.